సో యాక్చువల్లీ మీ ఫాదర్ నుంచి మీకేమీ ప్రెషర్ లేదా? ఎనీ గవర్నమెంట్ సర్వీసెస్ తీసుకో, ఎందుకు ఈ మూవీస్?
They have always given me the freedom to do whatever I want in life, and I don't think even they realized that, you know, I was serious about acting. I used to be a very like dramatic child and very filmy child from a very young age. I used to watch a lot of movies and I was crazy about movies. So I used to be the person who goes around and collects all those film bits and all that, and every Saturday the only supplement that comes with the newspaper used to be the film supplement. That's the only paper I read. So I used to be updated about everything that's happening in the movie industry. So I was very clear on what I wanted to do. But later on when I started auditioning is when they understood that she is serious about it. So until then they didn't know. They thought, okay, I'll do my BCom, MBA, maybe sidetrack or something will happen. But when I told them that this is what I want to do, seriously this is what I want to do, it's my career option. So my dad was like, my dad's first question was like, then why you study? After the Wing thing went viral, he even gave me the choice to drop out. So I was in my first year of college. I still had time to drop out if I wanted to. My dad was like, if this is what you want to do in life, why do you want to study? Why do you want to waste your time? Completely concentrate on this. But he was that supportive. But my mom wanted that, you know, I study, I graduate, and I have that on the side, and then do my thing.
దట్స్ నైస్. యాక్చువల్లీ రష్యా దేనికి వెళ్ళారు? రష్యాకి వెళ్ళి రోడ్స్ మీద చీర కట్టుకుని డాన్స్.
Russian trip was because so one of my friends, his family settled in Russia.
Okay.
So it had been 2 years since he visited his family. So since Russia is the only country that's open for tourism, we had all been planning for a trip for such a long time. So the idea initially started when there was this news where you could go to Russia for 28 days for your vaccine, for Sputnik vaccine.
True.
So that's how it started. So we were all like, okay, we'll go to Russia for 28 days, we'll get the vaccine. And it was all in like 1 lakh or something. So I was like, that's a very reasonable offer, we can all go. But then later on we were like, okay, this might not be true. So then we were like, okay, anyway we decided, let's just go. And you know, we went and surprised this family. They didn't know we were coming. And with that we spent 10 days there and roamed around and came back.
అక్కడ మీ శారీ కట్టుకోవడం వచ్చిందా మీకు?
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, as I said, I was a very dramatic child. So even when I was really young, I used to get mom shawls and drape it around and all that. And in my head, I'm always an actor. So in front of mirrors, I'm doing things. In the shower, I'm doing things. So I'm always like, I was always like that. So I was eager to learn how to like put a sari by myself, drape a sari. So, and in college I went to like an all girls college where it was mandatory for you to wear uniform sari at least like once a month. So that's how I learned. So I had to like manage it on my own. So I learned how to.
మీ మోడలింగ్లో మీ ఫస్ట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఎలా వచ్చింది అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
Modeling again, I started, for me, I was not like really passionate about modeling, or you know, that's not something I dreamt about doing. For me, it was always becoming an actor. So for me, modeling was just like a stepping stone into acting so that I get noticed by people. So even then I don't think I did a lot of professional modeling when I was in college. We used to go for intercollegiate competitions, modeling, fashion shows and all that. So that's how I started modeling. And later on then I did a couple of pageants and everything in Kerala itself. And like I won a couple of them, and that's how like I started. Then I started auditioning, so step by step, that's how it happened.
తెలుగులో ఆపర్చునిటీ ఎలా వచ్చింది అంటే ఎలా చెప్తారు?
I'm getting a lot of offers actually, but I'm taking it really slow. I want to be very, you know, careful and smart while I'm choosing my movies. And even if you look at Check and then Ishq, my character has a lot to speak in both the movies, and even in the third project that I'm doing, my character is really important, and it's a central character around which everything revolves in the movie. So for me, I feel like my character should make a difference in the movie. It should not just be like, even if you take out my character, the movie plot will remain the same. Then there's no point doing it. So for me, if there's a good story and my character is significantly important, then I would do the movie.
Now, have you got an opportunity in Telugu film industry?
How I got it was very organic. After my first movie, one day Chandu sir called me, Chandrasekhar Yelati sir called me,
Okay.
and he was like, I'm doing a movie, and he gave me a very brief outline about the movie, and he told me that my entire movie revolves around your character.
Okay.
So the confusions that your character create and how that affects everybody else and how that affects Nitin, that's how the story revolves. So I would love it if you could do it. So that was the first opportunity I got, and then I looked up about Chandu sir, and then I saw his movies. He's a national award winner and all that. So I was like, okay, this is my perfect opportunity to like step into Telugu movies.
So you're a playback singer also.
Could say that.
యా నేను యాక్చువల్లీ మీ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఫాలో అవుతూ ఉంటాను, మీ రీల్స్ అవి చూస్తూ ఉంటాను. సో ఒక్కసారి మీ వాయిస్ వినాలండి. ఇప్పటివరకు ఎన్ని సాంగ్స్ పాడారు, హౌ మెనీ లాంగ్వేజెస్లో మీరు పాడారు అనేది ఒకటి, ఎన్ని పాటలు పాడారు?
I've sung one Kannada song for my movie, that's Vishnupriya, and I've sung one Malayalam song in the movie called Finals, and again Telugu I did during last lockdown. I feel like I've done a song, a music video called Laddi Laddi. For that also I sang.
ఓకే.
So as of now, these 3 languages I've sung for.
యా ప్లీజ్ యార్, మా ఐ డ్రీమ్ వాళ్ళ కోసం, ప్రేక్షకుల కోసం మీ వాయిస్ ఒక్కసారి, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్ టు సింగ్ యూ కెన్.
All of a sudden, if you ask,
హూ నోస్, యూ నోస్, మేము మీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఎవరైనా మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్ విని నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ మీకు తెలుగులో యూ మే గెట్ వెరీ నైస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు సింగ్. సో ఎనీథింగ్, విచ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ యూ ఆర్ కంఫర్టబల్, వాట్ ఎవర్.
all of a sudden, like I can't think of any song now. My mind has gone empty. That's the problem.
మలయాళంలో మీరు పాడిన పాట?
Malayalam-ish song I can sing.
ఎస్ ప్లీజ్, దట్స్ యువర్ మదర్ టంగ్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్.
Yeah, it's easier. With Telugu, my words I will stumble here and there. I'll sing 2 lines.
ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్.
പറയുവാനിതാദ്യമായി വരികൾ മായേ, മിഴികളിൽ 1000 മഴവിൽ പോലെ, ശലഭമായി പറന്നൊരാൾ അരികിൽ ചേരും, പതിയെ ഞാൻ തൊടുന്നതും അവളുമായും.
You have such a great voice.
Thank you.
సంగీతం నేర్చుకున్నారా?
Yeah, I'm Carnatically trained
Oh, that's
for around 16-17 years.
Yeah, we can make it out when you are singing, really. That up and downs, the gamakalu, we can make it out very easily.
Hi, this is Isha Chavla.
This is Manara Chopra.
Hi, this is Kartikeya.
నేను డైరెక్టర్ తేజ అని.
Press the bell icon for more updates.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDreams.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
And you're watching iDream Media.
Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Do subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream Media.
Do subscribe to iDream Media.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the button below.
Don't forget to subscribe to iDream.